Look at these babies. Well, happy Toofer Tuesday. We're back at it again. We got our sweet rescued puppies here. We got to help keep their Toofers clean so they live that nice, long, happy, healthy life they deserve. And that's exactly what we're doing, is just trying to encourage everybody. If you get a chance, grab a toothbrush and a dog-approved toothpaste and help your pappies keep those Toofers nice and shiny clean. Get those nice, clean kisses that you deserve. And look at how happy she is. My sweet little mistletoe. She is just growing so big, so fast. She's just gorgeous. I love her. I'm so proud of her. I mean, she's just this tiny little puppy that needed a home, like they all were. And now she's not so tiny, and I love her. She's a good girl. She's raising her little Winston boy. She's doing a great job with it. And she's keeping an eye on her Mama Luna and her pappy Sebastian, and helping everybody stay happy and healthy too. You're such a good girl, Missile. Yeah. And she loves brushing her teeth, although maybe not as much today. You done already, sweetie? Really? Am I talking too much? What's the problem, Missile? You're a good girl. You're just a sweet sweetums. Can I get you in a little better here? Have a little more light? There you go, baby. Good girl. Get those Toofers nice and clean. Her tongue is always out. She's always wanting to kiss somebody. We've actually been having to get onto her because she's started doing this thing where she's licking Sebastian's eyes, and it's like, girl, you're gonna give him an infection. And I think she did actually irritate one of them, so we got a little ointment for that. He's fine. But it's, you know, of all the things you have to worry about keeping an eye on your dog's doing, who knew kissing was gonna be a bad thing? But well, we found a way to make that happen. So just trying to work her through it. That's probably what she's a little awkward about, is she's not used to getting yelled at. She's usually very well behaved, but being told the, you know, that three-letter word, that's the opposite of good, even spelling it out, she knows what that means, so I'm trying not to use that right now. She doesn't like hearing it, so I think it's upset her a little bit, but it's all right. We're going to get through it. We've got to keep Sebastian happy and healthy, too, and make sure everybody gets the love. All right, Winston, your turn. Winston's turn. Nope, Miso, let him do it. Mistletoe. Let him do it. Thank you, baby. Good boy, Winston. Get in those brush those Toofers. Our other little boy, our youngest boy, our youngest pappy, period. And he's just growing, getting so nice and beautiful. I can't tell you how much work it takes to get his coat looking like that. Little Yodis really shed incessantly. Yeah, you talk about this a lot. Both of our boys need lots of grooming, and the girls need almost none. But Yodis in particular, they have this extra thin, fine hair, and it's like it's just constantly detaching everywhere. So every day, we have one of those brushes that, you know, kind of pushes out and removes all the leftovers. Oh, okay, well, right, bye. And we keep them all happy with that. Luna, are you here? Luna! Oh, I got Winston still. Yeah, I'm talking about you, buddy. And it's a daily occurrence. We just gotta brush all that extra fluff out to keep the nice shiny. No, I'm showing you off, buddy. You're beautiful. You can wag your tail. There you go. Let them know you're happy. We gotta keep you looking beautiful, buddy. And he's just a happy boy, running every day, chasing his girls. Chases his pappy. There's Luna. Hi, honey. Well, you're next. Luna, stay here. Good boy, Winston. Yep. You're next, Mama. You're a good girl. You're a good boy. You're getting it, buddy. Good boy. Keep those Toofers nice and clean, bud. Oh, I was also going to mention with him, he does get a little bit of excess tartar that our brushing does not take care of, and we've discovered there are sprays that you can buy that help with tartar buildup, and that way it's just simply you push the gums, you know, their lips back. So especially you can get to those back corners is where he gets some of that tartar that the brushing doesn't help with. And the sprays are actually effective. There's a whole bunch out on the market. Try one, see if it works for you, and keep those pappies happy. All right, Mama, you're next. Now it's Luna's turn. Good girl. Get it, Luna. Happy Toofer Tuesday, honey. Let's brush those Toofers. My big, happy, healthy mama. There's Miso. Who's going to help her, Miso? Sweet baby. But yeah, Luna's doing great too. She's always flawless. She never has anything going on. She's just a happy, healthy mama. We're helping raise her family and protect them all and keep them safe. And she loves everybody. And God, you got to pull back up for you, Mama. You're at the height of the counter now. My growing babies. It's impossible to keep up with them, but I do what I can. Good girl, Luna. Oh, don't break the brush. I'm getting a little aggressive there, Luna. I really don't have much to report with her. She's just been such a good girl. Ball is life for her, and we've been trying to cycle through even balls with squeakies. Those squeakies last all of 10 minutes, but nevertheless, she just always needs to have a ball and keeps her satiated. Someday we'll get everything taken care of around here and get our true farm set up with some outdoor animals, because that's really what she needs. She's supposed to be running a farm, and we're just going through the motions of making that happen for her. She's a good girl, and she's so patient. But she knows she's loved, and as long as she has a ball, she's happy. It's the important things in life. Ball is life. Good girl, Luna. Did you get it all? Such a good girl, and so gentle. My honey. You all done? All right, let's go find Pappy. There you go, Luna. You want to do a little more? All right, well, Sebastian's not feeling good today. He's not going to participate, so we'll just give Luna a little extra brushing, because she's a good girl, and she deserves. Our sweet Sebastian. Yeah, his eye's bothering him, and then, unfortunately with him, before he was rescued by the Humane Society, they got him from an abusive breeder, and he was chained up with a rusty chain, rusty cable, something of that nature. And something you all may not be aware of, but that actually breeds a lifelong bacteria. And for his whole life, periodically, he'll just have small, very small sores that will just open up on his skin. And we'll have to use special medicines for that. Surprisingly, like your antibiotic ointment does not work on those. It has to be, it's a spray that we get to help him with those, and it's actually been affecting his foot lately, so we've been dealing with that. And now with his eye being irritated thanks to our sweet mistletoe constantly licking him, he's not having a really great day. So, but it's okay, we got all the medicines and all the things he needs, so we'll get him taken care of. I won't force him to be on camera right now. He's just closing his eyes and sleeping, so I'll leave him be. We got our sweet Luna here. She's gonna guard him and watch over him, because she's a good honey. Yeah, I love you, Luna. But such is the life of rescue, taking care of all of our babies, keep them as healthy as we can, and sometimes things just come up, and it's okay. That's why there's doctors and medicines, so we talk to them and figure it out. But as always, I hope everybody out there is doing great, and take care of your pappies, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you again soon. Good girl, Luna. Say bye.